Very nicely updated home in Mount Olive Shores. This is a gated Class A Motorhome community that's convenient to I-4. Brand new laminate flooring throughout the home, except for the bathrooms which have updated vinyl. Brand new cabinets and appliances in the kitchen and brand new cabinets in the bathrooms. The AC was installed in 2014. The oversized lanai is perfect for enjoying our Florida weather. The RV carport measures approximately 17W x 12H x 53D and features a 50 amp breaker, water, and dump station. At the back of the RV carport is a 2-story workshop for all of your hobbies. During the first year of ownership, you must own a Class A motorhome. Whether you're a full-timer or part-timer, this is the perfect place for you.